Hello viewers, this is Dr. and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually deposit money into your Spenn account. Let's take a ride. So what you do is you head on to the keypad, and then you punch 115 hash, then you hit send. That is if you're using an Airtel line. So you go to option 4, which is make payment. Then from here, you click goods and services. That is option 6. Then you go by option 1, enter merchant code. So here they'll say enter business name. What you simply do is you capitalize everything. Then you punch in Spenn and click send. Then here you need to enter the amount of money that you are sending. Then when they say enter the reference invoice number, you simply enter the number with which you opened the Spenn account. Then you click send. Then here you need to enter the PIN number for your mobile phone, the mobile money account. So after clicking send, you can now cancel, or if you want to save that, you can actually save it as your favorite. So that's how we send money. If you actually send the money at night like this time around, the money will get into your Spenn account tomorrow during the working hours of Spenn or Airtel agents. So that's how we do it. Don't forget to like and share the video. Don't even forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.